Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to show different banner images on mobile and desktop in Shopify. In the accompanying video, we provide a step-by-step demonstration. The goal is to help you achieve this customization seamlessly. This tutorial includes a walkthrough of the back end of a Shopify store, demonstrating how to publish and preview theme changes. In this video, I will update the desktop banner, adjust its settings, and then add a separate banner for the mobile version. Adding custom SSS code. This code ensures that the desktop banner appears only on desktop and the mobile banner only on mobile devices. The tutorial emphasizing updating the section IDs in the code to match your specific banners. This step is crucial for tailoring the CSS codes to your store's unique structures. With the section IDs in hand, the tutorial demonstrates how to edit the base.css file by adding the provided CSS code. It's a straightforward process that even those new to coding can follow. Let's get started. Tap on Online Stores, then Themes, click on More Options, and then tap Edit Code. Now, go to the Assets in the left corner. Then look for section-image-banner.css and paste this at the bottom of the file. Then the first image will be desktop banner. Second one will be in mobile. And the second one will be in mobile. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.